There's one real estate cycle that scares people more than any other, and we're in it. You want to sell right now and take advantage of this hot seller's market, but yet you're afraid you won't be able to find a replacement home. I hear your worries and I hear your concerns. You don't want to be left homeless if you sell first, and you don't want to end up with 2 mortgage payments if you buy first, and I get that. Hi, my name is Kelvin Chow, and I'm a professional real estate consultant and owner of Beyond Home Realty. Since 2004, I've had the pleasure of serving many great people just like you buy and sell real estate here in the King County and the surrounding areas. With many years of experience in the business and having been through multiple real estate cycles, I've gained and developed specialized knowledge, and I know how and what to do to help you navigate, capitalize, and protect you from this unique situation that you are currently facing. With that being said, I've created my risk-free Sell Your Home, Find a Replacement Home program to help concerned homeowners just like you to provide a solution for your worries and your concerns. And here's how it works. We get your home listed, sell to a buyer, with the condition that you have a certain period of time to find a replacement home. This way, we can secure a ready, willing, and able buyer who puts down a significant amount of earnest money, who is flexible and willing to work with you. If we find you the perfect replacement home, we let the buyer know that we're removing that condition and we choose the move-in date on your next dream home. If we don't find you a replacement home in time, the buyer is released and you're not obligated to sell. You just stay where you're at. No harm, no worries, no risk. This program is great because it's risk-free. There's so much less stress. You'll feel at ease and confident knowing that you have terms and conditions that are in place in your favor. You won't feel like you've got to just choose a home that you don't really love, and the offer that you put on your next dream home will look a lot stronger to the seller because your current home is under contract and you're in escrow waiting to close. So think about that for a moment. Imagine what that would look like to have multiple offers on your home, where buyers are in a bidding war, competing and willing to pay you more for your home, where you can lock in a buyer and go out and actively look for your next dream home. And if you didn't find anything, you just stay where you're at. No harm, no worries, no risk. Now, I'm not sure if this is for you, but if this sounds interesting to you and you'd like to learn more about my risk-free Sell Your Home, Find a Replacement Home program, click the link below now and schedule a quick call with me. It's totally free, there's no pressure, and you're not obligated to do anything, and there's nothing to sign. It's simply just a quick conversation to provide you more information, to go over some strategies and explore some options and see if this program is right for you or not. By the way, as a thank you for scheduling your call with me today, you'll be receiving my Ultimate Home Seller Guide for free, and this guide will show you how to prepare your home and get it market ready. Again, this is Kelvin Chow with Beyond Home Realty. Click the link below now and schedule your free call. I look forward to talking to you soon.